Everybody, so really quick, we're doing a renovation project here in Highland. Just so you know, this property is a full renovation project. One of the questions that people ask is, what renovations should I do? What's the biggest bang for my buck, and what options and the things you run into do you renovate versus not? First and foremost, I'm going to just tell you I'm not an electrician. Hire a licensed electrician or licensed contractor for issues that come up. They will help you the best. This is something that came up on this project, and I just want to quickly, this right here is knob and tube. Now, knob and tube is an older type of project. They have tied in the knob and tube with what's referred to as Romax. Now, what you just need to know is knob and tube is an older type of material. The insulation tends to break down, and as it breaks down, it can heat up and over time cause a fire. I was exposed to this on a property that was a 1900 home that I had purchased, and we did a full renovation, rewiring all of that. In fact, if you ever see it, it'll run on two sides and there'll be like two pieces of ivory, and you have a hot and a cold strip, but they're not grounded. And so that's sometimes the question, whereas Romax, which is an updated wiring system, is grounded. And so when you see something like this, one, I think you just have to think about a couple things in any project. One, make sure we're maintaining our property. Two, let's fix the issues that are safety items. This is a safety hazard. As soon as somebody starts dinking and messing and altering an existing wiring system, it could break down that insulation system. Some people say, hey, well, let's go ahead and just re-insulate it. Well, if you re-insulate it, it can actually heat up and also cause another fire issue. I understand that there's likely these knob and tube kits that can put them together. I'm unaware of it. I would call the contractor to have them do that. But point of the matter is, on projects, when it is exposed and you have the opportunity to update it, my recommendation is always take care of it then. It's going to be cheaper, it's going to be more effective. And also, I just think from an integrity of a project and kind of your own integrity, take care of issues, because when you sell this property to a family, you don't want them to be worried. You don't want to be worried about them. If you have renters in it, doing the renovations allows you to get higher rents, and your property integrity is kept over time, but you're also not worrying about your tenants having a fire. So in these issues, just rule of thumb is maintain it, update it, get in the professionals, and add a contingency. So whenever we do our budget on the project, so for example, on this project, we had I believe it was a $50,000 budget. Maybe it was $40,000 based on some changes, but we added a 10% contingency for items like this that need to be taken care of. It needs to be corrected, and it allows us the ability to make sure the project is done correctly, and it's a project that's a success that we're not worried about in the future. Anyway, if you have any questions, again, it's Justin with Justin Uding Team Real Estate. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Thanks.